Ever wondered about the hidden identities of your favorite apps and software? Like, have you ever paused to think, what's the real deal behind this catchy name? Today, we're diving deep into the world of corporate identities to uncover one such mystery. We're talking about Housecall Pro. You know Housecall Pro, right? That software that's a lifesaver for countless home service businesses. It's the digital backbone for plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and more. But have you ever stopped to consider the company behind the name? What's the actual legal entity pulling the strings? Let's get down to brass tacks. Housecall Pro is actually a brand name. It's the catchy, memorable moniker that the company chose to represent its product. But what about the legal side of things? Who's the boss? Who's responsible for all that code, customer service, and innovation? Well, here's the kicker. The legal name of the company behind Housecall Pro is Codified Incorporated. That's right. Codified Incorporated is the corporate entity that owns and operates Housecall Pro. So why the discrepancy? Why use a brand name that's so different from the legal name? Well, branding is all about creating a connection with customers. Housecall Pro is easy to remember, it's relatable, and it instantly conveys the core service the company provides. It's a brand that resonates with home service professionals. On the other hand, Codified Incorporated is more of a business-to-business name. It's the legal umbrella under which the company operates, handles contracts, and manages its finances. It's the less glamorous but equally important side of the business. Think of it like this. Housecall Pro is the face of the company, the friendly neighbor who helps you with your home repairs. Codified Incorporated is the brains behind the operation, the mastermind strategizing business growth. Now, you might be wondering why this information matters. Well, understanding the legal structure of a company can be important for various reasons. For instance, if you're considering investing in the company, knowing the legal name can help you conduct thorough research. Or, if you're facing a legal issue with the company, understanding the correct entity to target is crucial. But beyond the practical implications, knowing that Housecall Pro is actually Codified Incorporated adds a layer of intrigue to the company's story. It's like discovering a secret identity. It's a peek behind the curtain into the world of corporate structure. So there you have it. Housecall Pro, the beloved software for home service businesses, is actually operated by Codified Incorporated. A simple fact, perhaps, but one that adds a new dimension to your understanding of the company. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on digging for those hidden corporate identities. Who knows what other surprises we'll uncover?